Imagine waking up to a plate of fluffy pancakes, golden and warm. But here's the twist. These aren't just any pancakes. What if I told you that your morning stack could actually pack more protein than a juicy steak? Sounds wild, right? But that's exactly what's happening with a brand new kind of flour that's shaking up breakfast tables everywhere. Yep, you heard that right. It's not a joke or some futuristic sci-fi food. This is real, and it's already making waves in kitchens and bakeries around the world. This isn't your grandma's baking flour. Forget the old white powder you grew up seeing in your family's kitchen. This is a total game changer, a flour that's been reimagined for the modern age, one that's all about nutrition, sustainability, and yes, protein power. Scientists and food innovators have been hard at work, experimenting with new ways to boost the nutritional value of everyday foods. The result? A revolutionary flour that's totally plant-based but loaded with more protein per serving than most cuts of meat or even eggs. It's the product of years of research, blending cutting-edge food science with a passion for healthier, more sustainable eating. So what's in this super flour? We're talking about ingredients you might not expect: chickpeas, lentils, peas, and even nutrient-rich algae like spirulina. These aren't just random choices. They're packed with plant protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. By harnessing the power of these humble plants, scientists have created a flour that's not only high in protein, but also gluten-free and allergy-friendly for many people. It's seriously flexing on steak and eggs. No feathers, no moo, and definitely no cholesterol required. For anyone looking to cut back on animal products or just boost their daily protein, this flour is a total game changer. Now let's put the numbers side by side and see how this new flour really stacks up against the classics. A classic chicken breast? That's about 25 grams of protein in a typical serving. It's long been the go-to for athletes and anyone looking to build muscle. 2 eggs, which are a breakfast staple for millions, come in at around 12 grams of protein. Not bad, but not exactly mind-blowing either. But this super flour, get ready for this. Up to 30 grams of protein per serving. That's more than a chicken breast, more than 2 eggs, and way more than any regular flour you've ever used. It's like turning your pancakes, waffles, or even your homemade bread into a secret protein powerhouse. That's right, 30. For flour, mind =sign blown. It's almost hard to believe that something as simple as flour could be so packed with nutrition. So how's it made? Let's take a closer look at the science behind this super ingredient. Basically, scientists start by selecting the highest protein plants and pulses. They then use advanced extraction techniques to isolate the pure protein, carefully preserving its structure and nutritional value. This isn't just grinding up beans and calling it a day. It's a high-tech process that ensures the final flour is smooth, versatile, and packed with all the good stuff your body needs. The result? A flour you can use for just about anything: bread, pasta, pancakes, muffins, or even protein bars. It blends seamlessly into your favorite recipes, giving you a boost of plant-powered protein without changing the taste or texture you love. Plus, it's a fantastic option for vegans, vegetarians, or anyone looking to eat a little healthier. Think about it. Protein-packed pancakes for breakfast, muscle-building cookies for your afternoon snack, or bread that actually fuels your workout instead of just filling you up. It's a whole new way to think about baking and eating, where every bite is working harder for your health and your goals. And here's the best part. It's not just good for you, it's good for the planet too. Producing plant-based protein flour uses far less water, land, and energy than raising livestock. It creates fewer greenhouse gases and helps support more sustainable farming practices. So, every time you swap out regular flour for this super flour, you're making a choice that's better for your body and for the earth. Would you swap your steak for super flour? Imagine the possibilities: pizza crusts, brownies, even pasta night, all with a protein punch and a lighter environmental footprint. It's a small change that could make a big difference for your health and the world around you. So what do you think? Would you give this new protein flour a try? Or are you sticking with the classics? Drop your thoughts below, smash that like if this blew your mind, and don't forget to subscribe for more tasty science surprises. The future of food is here, and it's more delicious and nutritious than ever.